Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a powerful information and educational information that is going to transform the way you trade. Okay, so I'll be explaining how I was able to catch this entry, all right, and my analysis, all right, the reason why I took this entry right now. Okay, that's what I want to share with you guys. Okay, so if you're excited and want to see me do this, make sure you stick to the video. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because there are powerful information I'm going to be sharing with you guys that is going to transform your life. Okay, so I'm going to be heading to the daily time frame now, and I'll be explaining everything down to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, I'll be explaining the analysis to you guys down from the daily down to the 5-minute time frame. All right, so make sure you stick to the video. Before I do that, for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, I can say this is a strategy also, because I will be explaining how this indicator here works and how it assists me to take entries. Okay, so this is what I will do. All right, so as you can see, this is the daily time frame. All right, now from the daily, I first of all, whenever I open my chart, I want to analyze the trend of the market, whether we are in an uptrend, whether we are in a downtrend, or the market, if the market is ranging or consolidating. Okay, if the market is consolidating, right, I want to know the direction of the market. All right, so that is what I want to first of all do. All right, so as you can see from the daily, I was able to identify, all right, by connecting these two structures in the market, and you can see that we are in a downtrend, right? The trend line is indicating a downward movement. All right, now from this area, you can see that there's another trend line here marking the dip in the market. All right, now we head down to the 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, you can see this here there is a resistance here that needs to be marked out, and this here is going to tell us the previous movement in the market. All right, now this here, you can see that the second trend line here is trying to explain what happened previously in the market. Right, now you can see that previously the market was moving with this trend line here, right? Then eventually it broke above our trend line here, right? It broke, made a retest, all right, found support here, and then bounced to the upside. Right now around this area, you can see that there is a resistance here again. All right, I just mark this plot. If I'm to put our horizontal line, you can see that there are previous reaction that is showing that this is a very strong support and resistance zone. All right, so you can see that, but I don't want to draw my my zone towards that area, so I just mark these two structures here in the market. So you can see that this structure here is a very powerful and strong area of support and resistance. Okay, so you can see once price got to this area, it got rejected, got back there again, and then it was rejected. Right, now this is what the 4 hours time frame is trying to explain to us. All right, and this is why I marked this zone. Right, now I'm going to step down to the 1 hour or the 30-minute time frame. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is the zoom I mark on the 4 hours time frame. This is the zoom, right? And here also there is a support around this area which I'm using for my TP now. All right, there is a support right now. Now this is what's happening here on the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, there is a resistance here, right? There's a resistance trend line here, all right, showing you that if price gets to this area, there's every possibility that it's going to be rejected to the downside, right? So around this area too, there is a support area around this area, the area where I marked and took entry. So I'm going to show you guys from the 1 hour time frame the reaction around this area, and then we'll step down to the 30-minute time frame. All right, so here you can see that you can see our line showing us that this is a very strong resistance area here. All right, this is a very strong support and resistance zone around this place. So there is multiple reaction on that area, so that is showing you that that area is a very strong one, right? So now we are going to head to the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, now on the 50-minute time frame, that is where I draw this zone. All right, so I draw the zone here indicating our resistance zone here. All right, so now I step down to the 5-minute time frame again, and then I marked this area here. All right, now this is what this is helping me to do. Now I know that this is a very strong resistance zone, and as you can see, I've taken a sell in that. Initially I took the sell from this place. All right, so price moved down a little bit and then went back into the zone again. All right, and I'm still going to be holding, if possible add more, right? So now I'm expecting price to sell from this area down to my area of TP here. All right, and my stop loss is above this area. All right, so here on the 5-minute time frame, this is my plan of action. I want to sell from this place down to my TP area here, all right, which is the next support and resistance zone, right? And if price fails, right, I'll wait for it to, right, break above our trend line here, come back for retest, then maybe I'm going to buy to the upside. All right, the reason why I said maybe I will buy is when I've put in some 2 or 3 factors together in the market and I see that it's going to buy, then I'm going to buy from there. But if it's not showing me any strong buy movement, then I will leave it and wait for price to get to this area, then I'll look for a sell to the downside. All right, because I'm following the daily movement. All right, so whatever the daily says, that's the direction I want to be selling or buying to. Okay, so I'm following the daily, and the daily direction is now a downtrend, so that's why I want to be looking for sell trades for now. All right, so if I'm to buy, I'm going to be taking short buys only. All right, not long-term buys. I want to be taking short buys only. All right, so this is what I have for this volatility index right now, volatility 10 index. This is my analysis. All right, so currently I'm looking on for a sell. All right, and hopefully this is going to sell. All right, so now back to the indicator. Now the indicator is at the overbought level around this area, right? And you can see this is the overbought level and this is the oversold level. So whenever price gets to this area, I'm looking to buy. Whenever price gets to this area, I'm looking to sell, and whenever price gets to this area, I'm looking to buy. And this also, this indicator right here, helps boost your confidence. All right, this helps indicate the strong it helps you confirm the key zones in the market. All right, so that's it for this video. All right, before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 or $10 account. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account, all right, or you are somebody that likes to trade boom and crash, you should come to get this strategy. All right, if you are somebody that trade boom and crash, then this strategy is for you. Even if you're a beginner, the strategy is designed to grow your small account, even if you're a beginner. So if you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account, then you should come get this strategy. Okay, so for those interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's that for that. And those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video also. Okay, make sure you join so that you can enjoy my free signals. Okay, so that's it guys. We'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.